Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I have a review of this wonderful keyboard by Azio here. It's the Azio MGK-1. So this keyboard is great. I could not recommend it enough. Let's just take a look at the box here. So it has easy access hotkeys. It's got onboard backlight control. So, and I'll show you all this stuff later. Adjustable white LED brightness, kale blue mechanical switch, and actually, I'm not quite sure why it says blue mechanical switch because this is a brown switch. Fast volume control, and then full N key rollover. It's a aluminum backplate with a UV coated detachable palm rest. So now that that's out of the way, let's take a look at this. So here's the keyboard. This is not the wrist rest included, so I'm actually just going to take this away. So here is the keyboard. This is without the wrist rest on, because I personally do not like the wrist rest very much. But this is a very, very, very nice keyboard. And it's kind of like this bezel-less keyboard. And I like that personally quite a lot. I know some people don't, but I like it a lot. And I'll just show you the switches here. And it comes with a key remover, so that's great. And then just... Okay, let's set the camera up. And just pull. And miss. There you go. Now I'm just going to turn off the brightness. I turned it down. So here it is. As you can see, it is a brown kale switch. And I'm glad my camera can't focus. So as you can see, it is a brown kale switch. These brown switches are actually very, very, very nice. I'll give you a typing sample later in the video. But I'm just going to go over all this stuff here. So you have all these media keys like the web, email, calculator, music, skip, previous, play pause, next, stop, Windows lock, so that's good if you're playing a game, you know, you don't have the Windows menu popping up. Brightness down, brightness up, and switch mode. And then over here is your scroll wheel for your volume. So this turns the volume up and down when I'm scrolling this, and this button completely just mutes it. So I found that very, very handy. And then there's some Windows lights, or I mean some lights here. So you have the number lock, the caps lock, and of course the Windows lock. So that's all very useful. So the actual keycaps are not the greatest keycaps. I noticed that they pick up like finger oils a lot easier, but they're pretty good for considering that this is only like a $50 keyboard. And I'm gonna show you the LED modes now. So let's just, to turn the brightness up, you just press FN and this brightness up. So it has just a couple brightness levels. I keep it at all the way up because that's just the best for me. And then you can hit FN and this one with like the refresh arrow to turn it off, or have this kind of reactive mode. So this is kind of a nice mode. I personally don't like it, but it's nice if you want it. So those were the modes. There's only a couple. That's this biggest flaw probably of the keyboard, is it doesn't have too many modes, but it doesn't matter to me. I just kind of like this white backlight. It is not RGB. I should point that out. It's not an RGB keyboard. It just has this white backlight. That won't bother some people, but for other people, that would be a complete deal breaker. So now I'm going to give you guys a typing sample here. I'm going to put the mic close to the keyboard, and I'm just going to type a little. and I'll go through like some actual typing and then some like different tests. So I'm putting my mic, my headphones, close to it, and actually I hope this doesn't mess up, because this could very well mess up. I'm just gonna type with one hand. So here's what the number keys sound like. The like home row, the space bar, the shift, escape. Here's what the number pad sounds like. And here's what the arrows sound like. So what this is meant to be is kind of a quieter alternative without sacrificing the clicky feeling of the keys. That's what the brown switch is supposed to be. And this does a very good job of that for a very reasonable price, I would say. This is a great keyboard, a great starter mechanical keyboard. It looks nice, it feels nice. I mean, there's no, like, this is the most sturdy keyboard I've ever seen. Just, it's a great all-rounder keyboard overall. So, definitely recommend this. I give this keyboard a big thumbs up. It's just a great keyboard overall. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.